Hi, it's Chris from PhixFlow. This is the third and final video in our series introducing the new GUI to experienced PhixFlow users. As I mentioned in the first video, there's a much better way of creating grid views in the new GUI, and I want to show you that. Just to note, it is still possible to create grid views in the old way, and I'll very quickly show you that first. It's something you might still want to do occasionally if you're trying to debug a model and you want to create a temporary view on a stream, or if you want to create a view that you're going to use in a pipe. And sometimes you use views in lookup pipes or pipes to file exporters. Okay, so let's very quickly create a view in the traditional way, just so you can see how it's done. So let's call this temp debug, as if we're going to debug something in this model. We'll make that a grid. Save that. We'll select several of the stream attributes and drag them in. And that should all be very familiar. And that will appear in this list of views over here as well as on the stream. And as I mentioned, typically you'll do that as a temporary view or to create a view that you can use in a pipe. So now let's look at the new improved way of creating grid views in the new GUI. So first we add a dashboard. Let's call that demo. Now I'm going to open my stream and drag that on. Now here we choose the view type we want to create, and we're going to create a grid view. There are lots of other charting types you can see there. The charting functionality in the new GUI has been completely rewritten, so I recommend you check that out in our standard help. It's possible now to create some really nice looking graphs. Okay, let's get on and create our grid view. And the way you add view attributes is select them here and drag them into the column heading. And it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's the end of the third and final video of the series. Thanks for joining us. I hope that's answered your questions about the new GUI. If you have any further questions, get in touch with us or head over to the help and training for the new version. In the meantime, happy modelling.